Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add audio for your site in Duda. So let's start. Let's click widget here, and you want to write here audio. And you're gonna see here straight away that you got audio. Just insert it, and now you have like option. You need to choose like enter SoundCloud or Mixcloud URL. Nice, and like and here you got perfect song, perfect music for your site in Duda. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. You can also change the layout here between these two and change the width. And that's it. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye. And if you want to, by the way, use like a video or music from YouTube, choose the video. When you go to widget and you're gonna write video. See ya.